Hi, third grade. You should be on journal page number 7 right now, but hang tight with me because we're going to review how to read a clock. Okay, right now, I want to know what time is it? Remember, this small hand, whatever it points to, says the hour, that first number when we're telling time. So I see, is it quite on the 5 yet? It's really close, but it's right before. So when it hits a number, it was on 4, and anything after it until it hits the 5 means it's 4 something. What is it? It's 4. We need to figure it out because our big hand tells us the minutes. So forward, and we write those 2 dots, which is called a colon. Okay. For what time? Well, maybe you're thinking how many minutes are in 1 hour. If we count up all of these little marks on here, they're all of our minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's right. Every time we hit a new number, that's 5 more minutes. So we can count to 5 to see how many minutes are in the clock. Remember, this big hand tells us the minutes. I like to call it the big greedy hand. It wants all of the minutes. So it has all of these markings. That's what the big hand points to. And then the little hand says an hour. So let's figure out how many minutes because we already know it's 4 something. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, I'm at 30 and I have made it halfway around the clock. So what is 30 more than 30? What if I double this? How many minutes are there? We'll keep counting starting at 30. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. There's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So where was ours? Well, we know 12 is 0 minutes. 3, ooh, that's like a quarter. So if I split these, right, half, this is 30 minutes. This is another 30 minutes to get us to 60 minutes. But if I split it into fourths, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Every pie piece is 15 minutes. 5, 10, 15. Starting at 3, going down. 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15, and 5, 10, 15. So this is 30. What's 15 more minutes than 30? This is 45. 45, count by 1 more 5, 50. We know it is 4:50. AM or PM, we do not know, but we know that it is 4:50. Awesome. Now, what happens if I start scooching my hand over? What do you notice about the small hand? It gets closer and closer and closer and closer to 5. We're almost at 5 o'clock. We're at, what are we at? We're at 4:55, 4:56, 4:57, 4:58, 4:59. Oh, it's so close. It's almost touching the 5. Now, when I go to the next one, are we going to say it's 4:60? When we get back at the top, we don't say 60 minutes. We go right back to 0. And the little hand will be pointing directly on that 5. So 5 o'clock. Whew. Okay, we're going to use that knowledge. We're going to go over to journal page number 7. Yours should look like this. Lesson 1-5. Journal page number 7. The directions, because we always read the directions first. It says telling time. Circle the clock that shows the time. So I want you to show which clock shows 1:30. Oh, what do you notice about these? The big hands and the little hands are kind of in the same exact spot. They're just flip-flops. See how the small hands up here and down, and the small hands down here on letter A and B? So circle, right? It says circle the clock that shows the time, 1:30. So either circle A or circle B. For the next one, number 2. Which clock shows 2:45? So look at your small hands and your big hands. Circle which one shows 2:45. And the same thing for number 3. Which clock shows 4:55? Okay, starting with these 3, you're going to do them on your own. Put me on pause to finish them. When you have circled your clocks, put me on pause and we'll go through the answers together. Okay, go ahead. All right, if you are back, that means you have answered number 1, 2, and 3. What did you have for number 1? Which clock shows 1:30? Remember, my hour hand is that little guy, and this one's pointing all the way down to 6 o'clock, so I know already that's not going to work, but let's check. Let's see, it's not quite touching the 2, so I know it's 1, and then, oh, remember, half of my clock is 30 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Ding, 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 we have a winner. It's letter A. Next one, which clock shows 2:45? They're both pointing at the 45. I know when the big hand's on 9, it's 45 minutes. Which one is 2:45? Well, this means it's already past the 1, but is it quite touching the 2 yet? Nope, that means it's still 1 o'clock or 1:45. Let's see, did this one pass 2? It passed 2 and it's not quite touching 3, so this is 2:45. Awesome. And if you didn't get the right answer, please circle the correct answer now. And for number 3, which clock shows 4:55? Well, again, I know this is 45 minutes. What is 5 more minutes than 45? This one is 50. I needed 55. Let's try this one. 45, right? I know it starts at 45. Count with me by 5s to get to where the big hand is. 45, 50, 55. Okay, our minutes are right, but is it 4 o'clock or 4? Look at that. It's not quite touching the 5, which means it's 4. It's 4:55. E is the correct answer. All right now you should take a picture of all of your fabulous work and send it on into your teacher. And go on to the next video.